In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can own a business here in GTA 5 online. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, before you can own a business, you are going to need to be registered as one of the following: a CO or a VIP. Without one of these roles, you will not be able to run most businesses here in GTA Online. But once you do have that correct status, go ahead and open up your in-game phone and go to the internet tab right here and scroll up to money and services. And from here, go into foreclosures, mazebank.com. This is where you're going to purchase most of your business in the game. Go ahead and enter this in. And then, for example, you could really go to any of these businesses. I like to just use a nightclub as an example. So essentially, select whatever business you want, go ahead and hit buy for however much money it is, and then customize that business to be exactly how you would like. And what you're going to want to do is obviously purchase it and then do the starting mission that goes along with it after you do purchase it. And once that setup mission is finished, you'll be able to fully run the business, start missions, and earn passive income while you're logged in. Many businesses are going to produce a ton of goods over time, so as long as you're online, you'll continue earning money. Just keep in mind, you're going to need that correct boss status. You're going to need to buy the business through Maze Bank foreclosures, and of course, you're going to need to complete that initial setup mission. As soon as you do that, you're good to go. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.